So Lali Dab next week. What's your most memorable moment with Dab?
Dab.
Yeah, Namazulu.
Awusothi ba coach wami lapha la kwanetha godla lemvuleni siliteka. Kodwa ngeke sasidlala esemvuleni sasiliteka kuphela lapha engahambi phansi.
So wena.
Saqedela ngakusasa sawuna 2-1.
Oh.
Sasiteka kwakunetha nje siteka nje phansi siteka nje kuphela.
Back chase.
Ngisho nje ngobhalisha emanzini. Agishiyo lapha shayishayo lingsonke ngivusa umphasele.
Danko. Most memorable moment with Dab.
20 ba. Ngakora kuyona. Yipi la pen babo number 2 amaZulu.
Pen 2019 20.
2020. Yeah, 2020 2021. Oh yeah. So winner 2-1, yeah.
Danko, the derbies you have played against Amazulu, which one do you remember the most?
When I missed the penalty.
That's a bad memory. That's a bad. Yeah, all right.
It's good.
Yeah. Most memorable moment with Dab in Amazulu.
I found out it's ngishaya igoli lami lokuqala eMabhida.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Finally, the first goal with
Nemba kakhulu ngo left week futhi baba.
Omlem. Kwakuba offer.
Kwakubani uVelimoto.
Velimoto. Oh.
Shaya baba. Thuma uphuthu.
That's all. That was like ages ago.
That's the one. Nami
Now
ngikhumbula
it's
Yabona la eMabhida. Usquish scored a nice goal, gents.
Yeah.
And they said it was an offside. The team did well. The team gave it the best. They gave their best, but we were robbed, gents. And another one, it was at Amarsdale when I scored the first goal against Amazulu. I've never scored against Amazulu, but in that match I scored, but we lost. So,
still a memorable moment either way.